Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I am gonna visit stationery shop and school for my new admission. So here is me going to this shop and school, and here is me returning to home because I forgot to record whole clip. So this is the box I got from the stationery shop. So let's unbox it. So I have cutted the wire and let's see what I got in this. Here is a brief overview of what things I got. Let's unbox it. So there were notebooks and all. So now let me show you all the things in detail. So these are some notebooks from the brand Shape, and they have high quality pages, but I got one problem that the pages are little thin, but no worries, I can use it. I am thinking to make them of either physics, chemistry, bio, or history, geography, civics. Let me know in the comment what do you think I should make in it. So they are actually good notebooks. So these are some black pens and they are set of 5. Then it is Dom's everyday blue pens and it is set of 20. I got it for 50 rupees and MRP is written 80 rupees, but it was a wholesale shop near my city. So these are some notebooks. I got 1 dozen of this. Like these are 12 pieces, as I already said that it's 1 dozen. So let's move the all other items that I got. So it's a pencil. It's Dom's pencil and I'm not gonna use it like on daily basis, but it's for my brother. So it's extra dark from Dom's brand. So another thing I got are some book covers. This is a transparent book cover. I am thinking to make some designs like physics, chemistry, bio and written on the pages, and then I would cover it with this transparent cover. And here are some printed rolls of book covers, but I am gonna replace it because my school does not allow some blue printed or any type of printed book covers, just plain brown covers. So I'm gonna replace it. And these are some name covers. I am also gonna replace it because I have designed my own nameplates with the photo and all. So this is the pencil box. Actually it's not new, but I got it when I got 95 percentage in my PMT examination, that is post midterm examination. So this was this, and this things that you are seeing in this are actually gifted from my school. So I would tell you at another point of this video. So this pencil box is also gifted by my school. Like it's not gifted, but it was included in the admission price. So let me show you the thing. It's a Faber Castell 2B pencil and this eraser and sharpener. And this pencil box, actually the all things were in this pencil box itself. So here is my lunch box, and it's of purple color. So let me open it. So yes, so this is the purple color uh, pencil sorry lunch box. So you can see it's stainless steel from inside and plastic from outside, and it's my school name written on it. So the next thing is this red color plastic water bottle, and this was also included in the admission set, and it have my school logo and name. Actually I scratched the school name with my nails, and it is plastic from inside. It is having a silica gel. Let me remove it. So now let me show you all other things, that is my bag and my books. So this bag is the main thing of the whole admission set. My lunchbox, pencil box, and file was already kept in it. And when my admission was done, my school teacher gave it to me. So let me show you all my books. So let me show you all my books in a brief overview. So this is Mathematics Class 9 book by R.D. Sharma. The both book were in set. I got the both books of around 500 rupees, and it's plenty useful. So actually let me give you all the key features of it. Like, it have revision of key concepts, MCQs, case study based questions, and assertion type questions. And this is like the main book which have some theories also, and already like too much questions for question practice. If you are studying maths for just passing the pass the examination, you don't need this book. But if you want to take maths in further studies, then you can buy this book. So this is mathematics book by NCRT. Sorry guys for the background noise you are hearing. So this is the NCRT mathematics book, and like it's the necessary book. I think in all CBSE board schools, NCRT must be in class ninth. So this is supplementary English reader, that is moments, and this is beehive. It is also like its main book of English. And this is Shemoshi. I am actually taking Sanskrit in like my main subject, and not taking Hindi because actually I am not very good at Hindi. So let us see if I can study Sanskrit well. So this is democratic politics, that is civics, and it is all about democracy and like constitution and all. So this is complementary India, that is geography, and economics, that I'm gonna study for first time, so I can't say anything about it. And this is science, my favorite subject. So let me show you the IT book, and actually it's not NCRT. My school already is a SOF qualified school. Like, I don't know what it is said, like Science Olympiad Foundation, and this type of examination is held periodically in my school. So this is the IT book. I got it from my school store that my school suggested. So this is IT book, and I think it's much bigger than my maths book also. So let me show you my pencil case. So this is the whiteboard marker. It's of blue color, and I think I have some DIY stickers, and that was my glue stick. So the thing like eraser and sharpener and pencil I already showed you. So this is the highlighter. I actually got some sticky notes, but I don't know where I have kept it.